art friends. Today in Kitty Joe we are going to learn how to draw and color Janet, the granny from Bluey. Let's start drawing. First, draw a triangular shape for the nose and color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw a curved line coming down from the side of the nose, then going to the right, ending with a small curve to make the smiley mouth. Draw a curved line coming out from the top of the nose on the right side, going down to start making the glasses. Then draw 3 half circles connected to each other. Then draw another curve, going up then down towards the nose, stopping right before reaching the nose. Then draw a similar curve on the other side to start making the other side of the glasses. Draw 3 half circles connected to each other. Then a small line connecting them to the nose part. Draw an oval shape inside each part of the glasses. Making the left one partially hidden behind the nose. Then draw part of an oval shape inside each one for the eye itself. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a small oval shape inside the right eye and color it. Then make half an oval shape in the left eye and color it as well. Draw a thick eyebrow over each part of the glasses, each looking like a bean. Draw a small line between the 2 sides of the glasses. Then make a letter C next to the left eyebrow. Extend the top part to make the top part of the blanket over Janet's head. Extend the line further to the right, then all the way down. Then to the left until it reaches the same level of the nose. Draw a line coming down from the top left part of the blanket, going all the way down, then going to the right, meeting the other part of the blanket. Draw a curved line coming down from the right side of the glasses, then to the left, making a small bump for the hidden hand. Then going down to meet the lines of the blanket at the bottom. Then draw a similar line coming down from the left side of the glasses, going to the right to meet the hand bump. Draw the paw coming out from the bottom of the blanket, with 2 lines inside for the toe. Repeat the same steps for the other paw. Decorate the blanket with a couple of horizontal lines at the bottom and 2 lines at the hand level. Draw the top of a square with rounded corners on Janet's belly. Then decorate the part around the mouth with a couple of curved lines. Make a small curved line under each side of the glasses. Here come the grannies. Now you can draw Bluey dressed up like Janet the Granny. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your color. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.